It may be harmful to your health to consume this with bananas. Did you know that? Despite being a superfood for your health, there are some meals that go well with bananas and some that don't. For the sake of your health, you should choose your bananas carefully, even if they are so tasty. It might be detrimental to your health to eat them with harmful meals. I've produced this for you in order to safeguard your immunity and general well-being. I'll share with you the 3 worst and 3 finest food combos that include bananas. Do those who haven't subscribed yet still exist? Kindly immediately click the like button and subscribe. Please tell your close ones about it as well. From now on, I will exclusively offer the greatest health-related information. One fruit immediately springs to mind when considering healthy snack options or breakfast substitutes. Once a fruit so valuable that only the affluent could obtain, it's now reasonably priced and can be enjoyed in large quantities if you purchase a bunch. The banana is the star of the modern era. Sweet, creamy flesh is revealed when the brilliant yellow skin is peeled off. Not only is it tasty, but it's also a genuine beauty all around. With many of health advantages, like strengthening your immune system, safeguarding your cells, and helping with dieting. While some like to eat them just that way, others dry bake their bananas to produce chips or blend them into juices with other fruits and vegetables. Bananas are an interesting meal since they ripen from green to yellow to black, and their health benefits fluctuate substantially with ripening fruit. However, did you know that there are meals that, when combined, can be harmful to your health? Even if bananas are a very wholesome fruit, let's now examine the 3 worst food pairings that are harmful to your health when consumed with bananas, as well as the 3 finest food combinations that strengthen your immune system. First off, milk is the worst meal to pair with bananas. Do you find this surprising? Due to its filling nature, some individuals choose to eat bananas for breakfast on an empty stomach or combine them with milk to create banana milkshakes. However, bananas and milk, which might seem like a perfect match, are not a good combination for health. Wait, are there still people who think that the sugar in bananas is bad for health? I'll explain this to you. In addition to having a high dietary fiber content that helps control blood sugar, bananas are a great source of vitamins and minerals that help prevent illness. Bananas are a fantastic fruit with a variety of health advantages, especially depending on how they mature. Compared to ripe yellow bananas, unripe green bananas have resistant starches that are 20 times greater. They are great for controlling blood sugar since they have a very low glycemic index. Prebiotics, which are abundant in green bananas, feed probiotics in the stomach and improve gut health. On the other hand, bananas get sweeter and contain more sugar when they mature and turn yellow. In particular, they become abundant in vitamin C, B, and antioxidants. Finally, as they become overripe and develop brown spots, they are called sugar spots, known as antioxidants that fight against health-harming cells. While the vitamins and minerals in yellow bananas decrease, these brown spots are filled with health protection properties that strengthen the power of white blood cells. Because of their low glycemic index, green bananas are therefore excellent for dieting and preventing diabetes. Finally, brown bananas are the finest meals to prevent disease. Yellow bananas are rich in vitamins and antioxidants. But are you concerned that the sugars in bananas naturally might make your blood sugar rise? The good news is that combining them with milk decreases blood sugar levels since milk's lactose also lowers blood sugar levels. Bananas also contain a lot of magnesium, which, strangely, aids in the body's complete absorption of milk's calcium when consumed with bananas. But take note, only those with strong stomachs may profit from them. Our intestines and stomachs deteriorate with age, and many people get reflux, which is the regurgitation of food. Specifically, after eating the banana until satisfaction, you may have experienced pain, almost like it was trapped. This is due to the high dietary fiber content found in bananas, which is insoluble and poorly dissolved, leaving it in the stomach for an extended period of time. If you drink milk with it, the issue gets worse. The rich calcium and protein in milk, together with the organic acids and sugars in bananas, combine to produce lumps that further slow down digestion. This process causes the stomach to over-ferment, which puts a great deal of strain on the stomach and intestines and results in weariness and lethargy. It may eventually result in long-term illnesses, such reflux esophagitis and gastritis. So, never consume bananas and milk together. Instead, opt for food combinations that are easier to digest. Then, what should you eat with bananas? The first food I recommend pairing with bananas is oatmeal. Instead of having bananas and milk on an empty stomach in the morning, you can have oatmeal or oatmeal porridge together with bananas. Oatmeal's dietary fiber is much better for gut health, making it the perfect match. Are some of you perplexed, asking why it's beneficial to eat bananas with oatmeal when they contain so much dietary fiber? Indeed, oats and bananas are both high in dietary fiber, but the types of fiber they contain are very different. About 3 g of fiber, namely insoluble fiber, that primarily aids in increasing stool weight and volume, can be found in bananas. For this reason, consuming bananas may actually cause constipation. Therefore, you should eat soluble fiber, which readily absorbs water, for gut health. Oatmeal and oats are useful in this situation. You may precisely balance your fiber intake by eating oats with bananas, as they contain over 50% soluble fiber. Furthermore, it's startling to learn that bananas' fiber pectin lowers blood vessel cholesterol levels. It gets rid of harmful metals and detoxifies the body. Here's a tip: eat unripe green bananas for this detoxifying effect. In addition to the resistant starch in green bananas, oats include beta-glucan and natural insulin that can contribute to blood sugar regulation. Second, sweet potatoes are the worst item to pair with bananas. The unexpected result is that sweet potatoes and bananas don't pair well together, even though they're both thought of as great diet foods and meal substitutes. Although eating too much fiber might make digestion more difficult, potassium deficiency is the most pressing problem here. Some people could ask, is potassium not a healthy mineral? Indeed, potassium is a mineral that our bodies require. It is very important for maintaining the health of cells and controls the heart and muscles, giving our bodies energy. Additionally, potassium helps flush sodium out of our bodies, thereby stabilizing blood pressure and preventing cardiovascular diseases like hypertension, hyperlipidemia, and atherosclerosis. But listen carefully to this. Individuals with impaired renal function may have a substantial strain because to this advantageous potassium. A deficiency of potassium in the kidneys can weaken muscles and perhaps cause irregular heartbeats. The problem is that sweet potatoes and bananas are both high in potassium. Combining them can result in an increased potassium intake, which raises the possibility of hyperkalemia. Therefore, it is preferable to eat them separately rather than simultaneously to guarantee that you obtain the nutritional benefits of each dish without running the danger of potassium excess. Second, nuts are the ideal snack to have with bananas. Certainly, a lot of individuals nowadays experience stress and sleeplessness. Healthy living depends on getting enough sleep and managing stress, as a quiet mind leads to a calm body. Eating bananas and almonds together is the ideal remedy. Nuts are a good source of omega-3 and unsaturated fatty acids, but most significantly, they are high in tryptophan. Surprisingly, the brain uses this tryptophan to produce serotonin, the hormone that makes us happy. But take note, vitamin B6 is necessary for tryptophan to transform into the happy hormone. The banana, today's superfood, is high in vitamin 6. As a result, eating almonds and bananas together is a great way to treat sadness and sleeplessness. Additionally, it's good for the liver. Thus, when bananas, cabbage, and eggs are consumed together, they maximize anti-cancer and anti-disease effects, perfectly boosting immunity. Are there still people who haven't subscribed yet? Please hit the subscribe button right away and share it with your loved ones. We will continue to share healthy information. I hope you stay happy and healthy until the day we all live to 100.